Beater Box Friday! Hey! Yeah! That's what day it is, and that's what a thematic opening thing is going on. Hello. Hi, thanks for tuning in. I'm SB Mitch. You can follow me on social media stuff at the handle on your screen right now. Below that is my website, sbmitch.com. Go there at 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time today. That's where you can find all the shoes that we're opening in this box that's next to me that's off camera, but that's me hitting it. Sorry, box. Hope you're okay. Hi, pals. I want to give a gargantuan-sized shout-out to the sponsor of this here video, Rejuvenator. Look, here's some products that Rejuvenator carries. It's in my hand right now. They're actually doing a really cool promotion right now. If you buy 30 bucks or more worth of stuff from Rejuvenator, like you can buy the advanced sneaker cleaning solution, or you can buy any of the really good brushes or some sneaker wipes, a whole bunch of stuff. You can just go there and check it out. If you buy a bunch of stuff and the total is over 30 bucks, you can use this code on your screen right now, SBMitch30, and you'll save 30% off of the entire order, but it has to be over 30 bucks. So remember, 30 is the key number in this entire deal here. So 30% off of any order that's $30 or more. Wow, that's a lot of threes. But it's also a lot of savings, and saving money is cool. So rejuvenator.com, SBMitch30. If your order comes to $30 or more, use my code and save 30%. Booyah! This box is from Sole Supremacy, solesupremacy.com, at Sole Supremacy. Let's see, this box was 925 bucks plus $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $965. These boxes are priced under market by Sole Supremacy, so there's a really good chance to make some money. There's the counter. Its name is Clarence. It's got a name because I have very little social interaction, so I name inanimate objects. It's going to be letting you know how much each shoe is worth on the secondary market based on size, condition, and other various factors. Then we're going to take the estimated value of the entire box and then break it down to show you how much I paid versus how much the box is quote-unquote worth. So let's open the box and see what's going on in here. Got a new box cutter, so my knife is very sharp. Fewer satisfying things in life than that. All right, idiots, what's going on in here? So it looks like there's one pair of loose shoes. It's a size 9.5 from like 2014 or 2015, I think. These are the metallic Yeezy Pete's, metallic whites. They're in pretty good shape, actually. A little bit of outsole wear, but not much drag. These are clean, size 9.5. There's just a little bit of discoloration on the upper and all that kind of stuff. So 9.5, metallic whites, white metallics, whatever you call them. No box. See the Jumpman fully intact in both of those shoes, I think. I can't see the camera thing, so I'm guessing. If you're interested in these shoes or any other shoes in this video, sbmitch.com at 6 p.m. today. Check that out. So let's dive into shoes with boxes right now. This box is, it's a size 8.5 Jordan 2. Chicago 2s, very nice. Lightly worn, great shape though. Hardly any toe box creasing on the upper. A little bit of outsole dirtiness. Full Jumpman on the insole, and it's got the inserts too. 2s are hit or miss. A lot of people love 2s, and there's nothing wrong with that. This was the last Jordan model that Peter Moore designed, so after the 2, Tinker Hatfield took over. So very clean shoe. Box is a little bit beat up, but these are in great shape. Size 8.5, Jordan 2 Chicago's. Let's do this. No, I'm doing this because I have no idea what it is. We have an ADIDAS Raf Simons, I think. I don't know how to say his name. It says RS Stan Smith and a size US 8. What in good gravy is this? So it's a dead stock pair. It's a pink Stan Smith. And it says R in holes on the side of it. Yep, there you go. Pretty cool if you want to look like you're wearing salmon on your feet. Let's do another Adidas, because why not? We got a size 11.5. It's a 700. Are these the geode ones? I think these are called geode. I'm not 100% sure. They are worn. A little bit of discoloration on the outsole and little pod stuff, but these are in pretty good shape. Insole's in good shape. Upper seems to be clean. Size 11.5. It's got the goat card in it too, which is cool. So 11.5. Ooh, sorry, microphone. 700s. Huh. These 925 boxes are weird. They're either really good or really bad. Looks like there's an Air Force One in here. I reckon, oh, there's 2 of them. Oh, that stinks. A Ricardo TISCI Air Force One mid SP in a size 8. These are worn. Comes with a dust bag. Here's the first one. It's a designer collaboration. They're in good shape. Not much drag, not much star loss. These are just a pain in the butt to sell because I had a pair before. They sat around for a long time. So size 8 might be it's a better size than 11, but these are tough sells for me. Uh-oh, this box doesn't look too great. And there's another Ricardo TISCI Air Force One mid in a size 8. It's a different colorway at least, so that's good. These are lightly worn too. About the same condition, probably came from the same seller, but there you go. It's like some creamy brown upper. That's a really gross way to describe shoes. But yeah, there you go. It comes with the dust bag too, size 8. Oh man, this box isn't looking great. 2 more in here, they're both Jordans. I think so. Size 11, it just says Air Jordan 1. Oh, okay. Huh, interesting. A pair of Jordan 1 Barons. These are really, really, really baseball themed, obviously. A little bit of discoloration on the swoosh. I think that's not intentional, but there's a lot of stitching hints on here. Very cool shoe. Very different than the Jordan, the other Baron. I don't know if that's like an away Baron or a home Baron or this one. I don't know. But this is dead stock, so that's cool. It's a little bit older. It looks like it's probably from like 2008-ish. But there you go, size 11, Jordan 1 Barons. Huh, interesting. I have no idea what those go for, so that could be the money shoe. But the other one here, this is a Jordan 11 in a size 9.5. Okay, this I can get down with. These are worn, but lightly. This is the most recent release, 2018, 2019. I don't remember what year it is right now. Concords. Very, very nice shoe in a very good size. Comes with the original insert, which is very cool. So these are in great shape. I mean, you can see it's a classic Jordan, higher patent leather than the 2011 release. 45 on the back. Not much insole wear, probably can't see it, but yeah, good shape. A little bit of discoloration on the outsole. No drag, nothing crazy. So this is a good shoe to get. There's a little bit of damage going on in here, but hey, whatever. Good size, good shoe. In an overall underwhelming box, but that's okay. That box was somehow $925. Let's look at the breakdown and see what's going on here. Breakdown! Hey, if you haven't watched the Q&A video, be sure you watch it so you can enter to win a free SB Mitch t-shirt. Okay, bye. Not really impressed with this box. Any box that I've ever gotten that started with a 9 seems to be either really good or really bad. I could be wrong. This box seems pretty bad to me, but worst case scenario, I'll break even or maybe lose a little bit of money on it. I don't really know. Whatever. If you're interested in any of these shoes, they will be available today on my website, sbmitch.com, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Also be sure to check out $50 February. That's what it's called. Every day I'm releasing a shoe on the site between 11 a.m. Eastern and noon Eastern for $50 shipped in the United States or lower. So basically you'll be paying $40 for the shoe and then $10 shipping. So if you're outside of the US, it will be a little bit more expensive. So it's not really called $50 February if you're outside of the lower 48. Big thanks to Rechuvinator for sponsoring this video. Remember to use my code SBMitch30 to save 30% off of any order, $30 or more throughout the month of February. Got another giveaway coming up with my good friend He Got Kicks. We gotta touch base and figure out what we're doing. But yeah, this box, not really that great. Until I look it up, it could be worth more. I don't really know. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I appreciate you. Have a great rest of your day. Remember to take care of each other and to make it fun because shoes are supposed to be fun. Okay, bye.